So I'm going to show you how to enable and use the ruler and compass on the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Now these are built-in features and you can access them by going to settings. Under settings, you want to go to display, and then under display, go to edge panels. So you want to make sure first of all edge panels is enabled, and that this is basically the edge panel. Now in the edge panel settings, you want to go to panels and enable a panel called tools. Now once you enable that, then now you can go back to the home screen. Now when you go to the edge panel and swipe again, you can now use different tools. So you look at this menu, you have compass, a tally counter, a flashlight, a surface level, and a ruler. So what you want to do is simply go to, first of all, in the compass, you have to calibrate it. So it basically requires you to keep holding your, or just moving around your phone so that it can actually calibrate where exactly where it is. And then now you have a working compass on your phone. Simple as that. Now to switch to a different thing like a tally counter or a ruler, you just use that to switch over. And for the ruler, you can actually use the long side, especially if you have screen auto rotate enabled. Just go to the long side and enable the ruler from there, and you'll have a 10-centimeter ruler that you can use to measure the length of specific items. So for instance, I can measure for you that this SIM ejector tool is about 3.4 centimeters long. This one. All right. So that is basically how to use a ruler and a compass in your Galaxy Z Fold 8. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.